Hey, welcome back to Doc's Boost. Here I am, standing between Peg's Pony and Doc's Boost. And today what we're going to do is we're going to finally put a different set of taillights on Doc's Boost. Finally, the 13-14 style taillights are going to go on. And I'm really excited about this. I've been wanting to do this ever since I had the car. And finally, after shopping my butt off on eBay, I finally found a couple of new taillights for the right price. So all we got to do, we're going to back the car out just a little bit and then get started. So this is what you're going to need to get the job done. First thing you're going to need is taillights, obviously. Then you're going to need a little trim panel, and actually that's optional. Then these trim panels, which are going to fit right under here to fill the gap on the 2012 bumper, they're available through American Muscle. You're also going to have some hand tools. And the only tools you're going to need is an 11mm socket and a 13mm socket driven by either power or manually. And that completes the list of tools. So in order to get the job done, starts out by taking this panel off. You got to take this clip out, no tools required. You just kind of screw it out like a thumb screw. And down here is just plastic fastener, and that just pops out. And the same thing on the other side. Got to disconnect the light, and out comes the panel. We'll set the panel off to the side. The next thing we got to do is take out the bolts right here, and another one over on the other side, and to get access behind here. And there's 3 bolts, 3 nuts to take out on each side. Hits naturally.
Then that's the way you should probably go with it.
Alcohol prep pads just to be safe. Well, I have to admit that the instructions here are very vague on how to place this thing, so I'm doing the best shot I got because it's one time, one stick, one shot. So here we go.
Line up that rounded corner. Okay, there you go. Perfect.
There you go.
Nice. Is that a good wow?
That's a good wow. Well, let's take a moment here. after and before. Doc Boost. What a great look. That's going to add a lot.
Yeah, it's nice.
And these trim panels, these little gap fillers, really worked out. I think it's going to be a great install. Let's get the other side.
Yep, they work. Your reverse light's on. We'll take it out of reverse and then won't be so I can see the sequential. Yep, they're good. Yep, they're good. Yeah. Beautiful.
Oh man, that looks beautiful. That's just amazing.
I don't think he was that happy the day I was born.
Oh my God, it's like a dream come true. Got those taillights on there and those little optional gap filler. They really work well. That looks so cool. Filled in the gap. We got solid black across the back. That's exactly what I was looking for.
Beautiful.
All we got to do now is put them trim panels back together inside the trunk, and we're good to go. The only thing left to do is probably a burnout, right?
Right.
All right, well, let's finish up.
See the tail lights is all you see. Parts probably get more commission than.
That's coming up next. I have to boost. Start showing some money. Gonna all this. Remember to just take this off and get it. Ta-da!
It's all back together.
Now all the paneling's put back together inside the trunk. Everything's done, ready to go. Now it's time for that test drive, right? Always got to test drive all your work. So let's get in and have some fun. So we're back from the burnout. Everything worked out great, just as expected, even better. So if you haven't subscribed to Doc's Boost, go ahead and take care of that right now. Leave some comments down below. Tell me about the latest mods that you put on your Mustang. Let's talk about some lights for a while. So comment on lights and get out there and have some fun, but stay safe and always buckle up. Hey, and thanks for watching. We'll